Children today spend hours online, watching videos, gaming, chatting, and posting. Every action leaves behind a digital footprint. That footprint can be harmless fun, but it can also expose them to risks. Predators, cyberbullying, identity theft, or even damaging the reputation when applying for jobs or university. Hi everyone, we're Won Connect CIC, a social enterprise based in Glasgow. We empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits go towards running free IT classes and befriending events in the community. In this video, we'll break down what a digital footprint is, how you should use parental control step by step, and share practical tips for talking to your kids about safe online habits. What is a digital footprint? A digital footprint is a trail of information your child leaves behind every time they go online. Think of it like muddy footprints across a clean floor. You can see where they've been. This includes social media posts. Photos, comments, likes, and even deleted posts can be archived. Gaming activity. Usernames, chat logs, and friends lists often remain visible. Browsing history. Search queries and websites visited are stored by browsers and sometimes advertisers. Personal details. Email addresses, school names, or location data shared in apps. The danger? Once online, information is hard to erase. Employers, universities, or strangers can access this years later. That's why monitoring and guiding this footprint is so important. Built-in parental control. Most platforms already include parental control tools. You just need to activate them. Let's walk through 3 examples. Open the app and tap Settings. Go to Parental Controls. Set age filters, block specific channels, and review watch history. Gaming consoles. Navigate to Family Settings. Limit playtime with daily or weekly schedules. Restrict purchases and control who they can chat with online. Web browsers. Create a supervised account for your child. Enable Safe Search to filter inappropriate content. Block specific sites and track browsing history. Review these settings monthly. Platforms update features often, and staying current ensures maximum protection. Discover more expert tips and tutorials on our website. Need help boosting your digital skills or online business? Get in touch with our team for personalized support. Check our website in the description below. Communication and digital citizenship. Technology is powerful, but it's not enough. The most effective safeguard is open communication. Here's how to start. Explain consequences. Show kids examples of oversharing, like viral posts that damage reputations. Encourage safe sharing. Teach them to avoid posting personal details like addresses, school names, or holiday plans. Model good behaviour. Kids copy what they see. If you're mindful about what you post, they'll follow suit. Introduce the concept of digital citizenship, being respectful, responsible, and safe online. This means treating others kindly in comments, thinking before posting, and protecting personal information. Practical recommendations. Here's a quick checklist you can follow today. Install monitoring apps like Custodio or Bark to track activity across devices. Review privacy settings on social media and gaming accounts. Make sure profiles are private. Schedule weekly check-ins. Sit in with your child, review their activity, and talk about what they've seen or shared. Promote balance. Encourage offline hobbies, sports, reading, or family activities to reduce screen time. Stay informed. Follow digital safety blogs or join parent forums to keep up with the new risks and tools. Protecting your child's digital footprint isn't just about safety today, it's about safeguarding their future. Want to go deeper? Explore our full suite of courses at www.wonconnect.org.uk/courses. Whether you're learning to spot scams, use your camera, or connect to Wi-Fi, we're here to support every step of the way. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. Want to learn more? Visit our website below. For in-depth articles and expert advice, we're here to help you level up your digital skills.